Greetings. The topic of our research project is UI design for online food delivery application using Schneiderman 8 Golden Rules, brought to you by the team Shrauk Bhattrai, Devendra Kumar Gupta, and Shriyam Pokhrel. Under the guidance of Dr. Sushil Shrestha sir, the objective of our research is simplifying login system and customer user interface of food delivery application. This video is a walkthrough of a journey of more than 6 weeks working on this project. We have chosen this case for our research as we have seen reluctant of people to use the online food delivery services. We conducted preliminary survey regarding the problem with 31 targeted audience and the results validated our case. We studied 3 online food delivery services as the work related to our project. By studying the related works, we are able to figure out how the contemporary online food delivery systems are dealing with the problems that we defined. From the preliminary survey, we can observe that out of 31 respondents, 80.6% of them have prior experience of using online food delivery services. Among the 25 respondents that have rated the login interface of the apps they have used, 44% have rated the login interface as average, 3 in the scale from 1 to 5, and among the 21 that have rated the customer interface of the apps they have used, 33% of them have rated the customer interface as average, 3 in the scale from 1 to 5. In week 2, we prepared a document for members' portfolio. We 3 are currently pursuing computer engineering at Kathmandu University. So what were our common understanding? First of all, we are keen to make best UI for the food delivery application. Secondly, we are passionate about HCI course. Starting with week 3, we entered our design and implementation phase. Initially, we developed our first prototype that encapsulated the concept and drew the design that best supported our concept. It was then introduced to our targeted audience. Their feedbacks and suggestions were recorded. We incorporated those feedbacks and redesigned our final paper prototype. In week 4, we designed our initial UI design based on our final paper prototype, which was then subjected to heuristic evaluation, a usability inspection method where 2 groups, one comprising of Ankit Khatewada, Bobin Khatri and Nishal Bandari, and another group comprising of Vishal Joshi, Navin Gimire and Ramraj Chimauria, evaluated our user interface and identified different usability problems that a user is likely to encounter based on Jacob Nelson's principle of interaction design. Starting week 5, we conducted user persona based on the different types of users that might use our platforms, which helped us understand our users' needs, experience, behaviors, and goals. The final UI design was developed using Schneiderman's 8 Golden Rules, where earlier usability problems were tackled and new design aspects were incorporated to develop an efficient and usable mobile applications. A fully functional mobile application was now developed as minimum viable product. Let's see how these designs were incorporated. To maintain consistency, our application has consistent layout, fonts, colors, size, and many hierarchies. To maintain informative feedback, we have used pages for no internet, cart empty, and show the status of order after ordering the food items. For design dialog to yield closure, our system indicates the successful login and order placing through alert dialog box. For simple error handling, we integrated form validation techniques and alert messages. For easy reversal of action in our system, the users can cancel order within a limited period of time after placing an order in case of accidental order. Similarly, most of the pages has back button so that the user can go back. To support internal locus of control, our system leaves it upon the user preference to include profile pictures and names. To reduce short-term memory load, our system has consistent layout with proper information hierarchy maintained. In addition, it uses easy login through OTP and OAuth, which reduces cognitive load. In week 6, we provided the prototype to the same group of people who participated in our first survey and conducted another survey in order to test the interface of our prototype, and we got a system usability score of 78, which is above the average score of 68. Last but not the least, we would like to thank our course instructor Dr. Sushil Shrestha sir for guiding us throughout the project.